Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at a Pontiac show today, and there's Oldsmobiles, Buicks, GMCs, Cadillacs. I'm gonna try and film as many as I can. I can't do an interview because there's too much background music, but there I am in the background. If you've never seen my car, I'll give you a close-up of that as well. Subscribe if you haven't, got some more projects lined up, but do us a favor, leave a comment about what car you like the best, and the winners get 10 bonus points. On me, 10 bonus points. So kick back, relax, see you at the end. 79 Trans Am, original, with 27,000 miles on the odometer. Yes, that's crazy. Whew, man. All original paint, all original interior. Don't see these very often. It looks like all original. Wow. I always forget to film my car, so here it is. '70 Firebird. Great stance, fat wheels. Love it. Good job, Troy. Interiors. Badass. No headrest. Headrest elite. Bitchin'. Do love 442s. Don't see 72 goats very often. Special shout out to Tom. Fantastic job. Also great meeting you today. So clean, my God. All right, I got shut out, didn't win any awards. But what was your favorite car? Mine was the 69 Judge. They won an award, well done, super well built, all original. It looked all original, I didn't talk to the owner. I wanted to send a special thanks to the Southern California chapter of POCI. Thanks for the hospitality, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, building fast, driving faster. See ya.